Railroads play a fundamental role in the transport of goods throughout the United States, and railroads need rail parks. These parks are crucial components of the transportation and logistics infrastructure, ensuring the efficient operation of rail networks. McAlister Assets RCR Rail Co. has been in the rail business since 2018. McAlister investment firms have focused on private equity investments for 51 years.
Our primary business is investment capital via raw land and rail park development. My main hat that I wear in the company is searching for new projects, managing ongoing projects, and searching for land and helping sell the land. McAlister Assets is a series of family business. McAlister Company was started by my dad in 1972. The core business of raw land investment has been carried through since the beginning. The rail investment that we offer now in development came in about 5 years ago when we started McAlister Assets. Our primary land deals are future residential, but most recently the land we've been purchasing has been for our rail developments. The benefit that we're able to bring to an investor is manage their real estate investment for them. That is a very strong benefit we bring to them along with our track record.
We don't think about working in a male-dominated industry at all, because what we do with our investment as well as our industrial rail served parks, it is dominated by men in both sectors. We just go out there and we do the best job we can. And in this day and time, I don't think it's so much worrying about the gender as it is your trustworthiness, your integrity, and just doing a good job in your work ethic. We have a proven track record. We have a strong record of returns for our investors. And there are some investors that have invested with the McAlister family and have been with the firm for over 30 years. What is very important is the due diligence that we do, the economic, the market studies that really set our investments apart, and being able to make the hard decisions in a challenging situation.
The presence of a well-designed rail park can have positive economic impacts on the surrounding communities.
By opening a rail park, companies like Samsung, Tesla, etc. that we work with are now able to invest in a real estate market that they never would have gone to before. By bringing that type of company to an area, we're increasing housing, restaurant attendance, hotel growth, taxes for the city, returns for the economy, and just general growth and development. In our park in Taylor, for example, RCR will be putting in over $36 million in public infrastructure to help that area and the west side of the city grow. So it's just a general ability to bring in large industries and help a community grow. We have very strong relationships with our engineers, our surveyors, our general contractors who are building our parks. We have employees that have been with us for a very long time, so those relationships are very important to us as well. We go into a community and generate relationships with the local government and the counties. We're in the middle of creating a strong relationship with the state of Texas to help them promote the logistics component to them marketing Texas to companies coming in. In our new business bucket, which is the rail development, we have spent an inordinate amount of time generating a very strong relationship with Union Pacific, UP, the Burlington Northern, which is BNSF. By having strong relationships with the different salesmen and marketing people in each of those class ones, when a customer comes to us that's aggregate or feedstock or pipe or whatever, we're able to direct them quickly to the right sales and marketing department. Because of our relationship with them, if there's a new customer that's coming in that's very important to us and we would like them to be in the park, we're able to stress that to the class one, and people like doing business that they get along with, and that's the benefit to the customer. The way that we're able to give investors two different types of investments, we have long-term capital gain via shorter window investment, which is our raw land. We give cash flow investment, which is a longer investment via our rail parks.
One of the most interesting projects that we're working on right now is the RCR Taylor Rail Logistics Park in Taylor, Texas. The Taylor Rail Park is located right off of Highway 79, which many experts do consider one of the most desirable economic development stretches of highway in the country. It sets itself apart with the logistics and the railroad and has become known as a unicorn in the Central Texas area. We actually brought industrial rail back to an area that was void, and the industries that are coming into the area, in any location, we actually teach some of the industries how to use industrial rail and incorporate them into their supply chains. Whenever it comes to our investments, the difference in working with McAlister is our track record, our strong history, the continued split of profit returns that we offer and have for 51 years now, and the investment opportunities and the due diligence that goes into these opportunities, and being able to walk away and say no to an opportunity if we need to. Whenever I go out and visit with investors, it's amazing the feedback that I receive. And so that makes me very excited about the future we have. We have a very solid team in place, and I'm just very excited to see where we go and what we do in the future.
The uniqueness of the rail investment space that we're in, not many people do it and then offer it to the general limited partner. We took a structure of raw land investment and brought it to a rail development. That doesn't happen, it's not really out on the market. So we are very unique in that, and when we go out and talk to people, they just, their jaws drop because they're like, well, we've never seen that before. If two girls can break into the stodgy old rail industry, anyone can do anything. It's been fun to be in the commercial real estate, grew up in it. I'm not a big woman can do anything. However, I did grow up in an industry that was not female heavy, and nor is the rail industry. And so I think that's an accomplishment that we should be proud of.
For more information about McAlister Assets, visit their website, McAlisterAssets.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com.